Good morning, everyone. Today is going to be a different video than the normal. Today we're doing a product review. And like I always do, my product reviews are honest. I tell it as is. And this is the deal that I always make with everyone that sends me a product for review. I'm going to be completely honest. Respectful, but honest. Today we're reviewing this Goliath. Yep, this is 5 amp Ryobi replacement battery. So again, it's not Ryobi, it's a replacement. Look at the difference. Beside the obvious, which is the brand and the look, it's actually the same. But I'm happy to report this one is better all in all. So when you think about it, why better? Well, simply because you get more bang for your buck, just to put it simply. So, this battery is basically Ryobi less the brand. What do we mean? Well, for the past week, I've been abusing the crap out of this battery. Legitimately abusing it. So I'm using it on pretty much all my tools. Mainly the light, polisher, and basically even the vacuum. I don't have the vacuum over here. Even the vacuum. The vacuum, it's not here, like I said, but I've been using it because the vacuum uses quite a lot of power, especially also this one as well. So what I've been doing is basically using this to see how it fares out in comparison to the Ryobi one. Now, I'll keep this video as short as possible. Now, here's how it is. This is how you receive it. Well, this is how I received it. So it's a box. You open the box. Let me see if I can open it. And inside you'll find it properly wrapped so that it won't be damaged whatsoever. And you'll have your beautiful, sorry, it's just with one hand, beautiful battery. There you go. It's beautiful. It's clean. There you go. 18 volt, 5 amp, 90 watt. Lithium ion, and also it's basically, I think it's 5,000 something, so it's pretty much the same as Ryobi. See, even the look at it, it's made in China. And if you look at Ryobi one, People's Republic of China, there you go, so 18 volt, 19 watt, 5 amp, so it's exactly the same. So in terms of specification, it is the same. In terms of looks, it looks and feels exactly the same. The only difference is, look over here. There's that sticker. Over here, there's no sticker. Lithium ion, but there is no plus because the plus is a trademark for Ryobi. At the front, again, pretty much the same thing. You've got the button where it just clips on it and it just tells you exactly how much battery do you have. And beside that, it's exactly the same. Exactly the same. How much power does it hold? Well, it's exactly as Ryobi. Exactly. Is it compatible? Can I charge it? Well, there you go. It's charging. So it's absolutely brilliant. Does it work properly? Heck yeah, it does. This is the new one. We just got it out. There you go. And there you go. It works. I'm gonna keep the light on just because I want to see how long this battery will last, just for you. It has 3 bars at the moment. So let's just keep it. So all the tools, I tried all the tools to see it. In terms of, so functionality, it does the same job. And this is the operational manual, in case if you want it. The second thing, in terms of price, this is on their website. So if you go to battery factory outlet, so this is it. There you go. How much? $60. And not only that, they've got Black Friday sale. So if you spend $140, you'll get 20%. And also another further discount if you use certain codes and everything. So you'll get that. Now, the official Ryobi battery You can only buy it over here, either eBay or Bunnings. So this is it, 170 bucks. So would you rather spend 60 bucks or 170? What's the difference? Well, Bunnings, they do offer 3-year battery and charger warranty. So if you bought it off them, you'll have 3 years warranty on the battery. The factory outlet, they only offer 1 year. So the downer, 1 year warranty for the replacement, 3 year for Ryobi. So this is where Ryobi basically is okay. In terms of price, 170 bucks, 60 bucks. Plus, this is before discounts. This is the actual price before discount. It works the same. It charges pretty much the same time, same everything. So it's exactly the same. I don't know what else to tell you. Now, here's how it is. Look how many tools do I have. Usually when you buy the tool, you only buy the skin. So you buy the tool just like that. And you pay basically arm and a leg for it, which is fine. At the end of the day, do not cheap out on your tools. Understandable. And as you can clearly see, all my tools are Ryobi. Well, I like the brand, and they do offer a good warranty on the product. So the actual tool, it comes with a 5-year warranty, and if anything happened during that 5 year, just go there, replace it. So I trialed and tested, and I vouch for them. So again, the tool, I cannot fault it. Battery, on the other hand, it doesn't drain fast. It's actually a good battery, okay? So Ryobi's battery, they are good, but pricey. So imagine you spend $200 or $199 for the actual impact, and you're gonna spend 170 bucks for the battery. Now, if you're lucky, and if they're running a bit of a promotion where basically you buy a package, so it comes with the tool, the battery, and so on and so forth. I'll tell you what happened. When I bought my package, it came with a drill, impact, and some other tool. Yeah, not this one. I do have another one, I think sander or something like that. And it came with batteries. This is the battery that it came with. 2.5 amp. 2.5, which is not bad, but then again, 2.5, 5. And it came with normal charger, not the fast charger. So you see, it's not always good. See, I only have one of the 2.5. Another 1.5. This is the lithium. So this is the normal one. This is the old style. This is the new style in a way. The replacement one, it's already lithium, compatible with Ryobi One Plus, compatible with pretty much all Ryobis. And price-wise, bro, less than 50%. Compatibility works just fine. It charges exactly. It's the same specification, same place of manufacturing, same every single thing, except for the stickers around it and how it's designed. You can clearly tell this one is more polished, dare I say. And you can clearly tell I've been abusing the crap out of this one. I've had this one for quite some time. Yeah, 2020. So it's fair to say that I bought it in 2020 or 2021. And it's been still working since then. This one, I only had it like for about 2 weeks, and I've been using it and abusing it for the past 2 weeks. So for the past 2 weeks, I've been only using these batteries, the replacement battery. Well, only one. The other one was in the box. I just unboxed it. But I've been using it all my tools, including the vacuum. And it's been working phenomenally. So again, just to wrap up, what are we getting? Well, you're getting the same battery, same functionality, same everything, except way cheaper. What you're losing in the process? 2 years of warranty. So this one comes with 1 year, this one comes with 3 years. So that's what you're losing. Is it gonna impact the tool? Heck no. I've been using it for the past 2 weeks and it's been working just fine without any issue. Does the battery drain fast? Nah, it's exactly the same. So how long would this one last you? Well, it depends on which tool that you're using, but 5 amp, it actually lasts. Like on this one, on the polisher with the high speed, it goes for about half an hour. This one also for about half an hour. So it's the same time, same everything. How long to charge? It depends. If you're using a normal charger, we're looking about roughly 45 minutes. If we're talking about a fast charge, yeah, it's about 20 minutes. This is for Ryobi. For the replacement one, pretty much the same thing. It's exactly the same thing. Like, I swear, if the painting, if the colors and the decals around it looks exactly like this one, you wouldn't even tell the difference. You would not tell the difference. This one had how many bars? Well, it did have 2 bars. Look at it. It's 3 bars already. So 3 bars. And I literally just put it in front of you now. I love it. And this is their website. As you can clearly see, they do have Black Friday sale. So let's just, for the sake of it, by the way, this is like spend 140 and blah, 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 blah. So let's just close it for the sake of it, just so that we can have a look. So see, they've got for Makita. What else? There you go. Hot sale. Hey, look. Isn't that for Dyson? Yep, there you go. Even for Dyson. So they've got for Dyson, they've got for Makita, they've got for Ryobi. Let's just power tool batteries. Just want you to see what am I talking to. Look at the side. This is basically how you filter them, and this is basically where you look at it. See, Makita, DeWalt, Milwaukee, Makita. What else? What else? What else? Not bad, really not bad. And this is even from Milwaukee, the M12. Wow, really, really good. And the prices, they're not actually bad. They are really, really good. I'm just showing you what I got. There you go. Now, I think we can just narrow it as well by power tool batteries, vacuum charger combo, work light. You see, if we go over here, let's just see. I think we should be able to narrow it down by the battery. I think so. If not, that's fine. That's fine. We just put Ryobi. Well, let's just see what comes up. There you go. So they do have a package at the moment, 2-pack. You remember when I told you just the 1-pack is $60? Get 2 for $99.98. Wow. Look at this. Plus battery charger. So for $147, you've got 2 and a charger. 2 of the 5. Bro, this is really good. This is really good. And their customer service, okay, I contacted them because I had some questions and I just followed the normal process. I didn't go with the rep that basically sent me. I just contacted them. Just contact us and you just start with them. They go start the chat and they'll be able to help you. And see, because this is in Australia, you get to choose Australia or USD. So it's entirely up to you, but check them out. I'll put the link to their website. I'll put a link to the batteries that I've done the review on, which is basically this one. So if I click on this one, just for you to have a look at. Okay, got it. I'm using Firefox. Sorry about that. Sue me. So there you go. And this is exactly what we got. This is it. So there you go. 18 volt, 15,000, oh, 5,000 in lithium. And this is how it looks in terms of details. And yep, trialed and tested. Look at the reviews. Bro, they've got 32 reviews. No, I know. Not everybody will believe the reviews that they'll see and they'll think, okay, somebody already paid you to do the review. Nobody paid me. I didn't pay for the battery. They sent them to me and they told me, do what you want. So there you go. Warranty, 1 year. 100% brand new. Replacement OEM for Ryobi, which is true. Shipped from Australia and will arrive within 1 week. Read. Can you see that? Whole charge 4 times longer and 45% lighter weight, reduced user fatigue. Now, I can't say that it holds 4 times longer. I can't. It did hold more. To be fair, it did hold more than Ryobi, but I didn't say that simply because the battery that I had it for 5 years, whilst this one is brand new. So is it really fair to actually use that? I can't say that. but it does hold longer. Yeah. Okay, what else do we need to know? And this is basically the compatibility mode and pretty much everything. So, if you like what you see, please head to their website and buy yourself a battery if you're using Ryobi. If you're not using Ryobi, go with the other tools that you use and buy the batteries from there. Again, like I said, if you are so finicky about your products and your tools, you want them to be all OEM, knock yourself out, go with the Ryobi battery. It's entirely up to you. If you want to save yourself some money and get the same quality and same output, then this one is cheaper for you. I mean, it's a no-brainer, and they will last. All right. The link will be in the description to their website and to the product that are reviewed. Feel free to contact them if you have any question. Until then, please, you take care of yourself. And please, if any of you bought any of those batteries and had an issue, I'm interested to hear your input. Okay? I want to hear your side of it. Because at the end of the day, I reviewed it to the best of my abilities with the tools that I have and the projects that I have. It could be from your end, something else happened. I want to hear about it. But until then, you take care of yourself. Yeah.